Ndi Mopo, that they pointed gun at Tonto.
Just disregard all those information. Nothing is truth
Okay.
about all those things. Just
Okay.
disregard. You know, I've been in my house since yesterday when all these things are happening, but I don't want to join issue with anybody, and I don't want to comment. You know, I just deem it fit to greet all our Muslim brothers that are celebrating today. If not, I won't even be on live. Whatever rumors that is going on should just, I don't care.
No, but Prince, you say because of our Muslim brothers that are doing whatever it is they are doing. How does it have any bearing with this case? I mean, the rumors were very, very thick. I have picture evidence. I don't have video.
Yes, Zizo, so like what I just told you, I don't want to talk anything about it. I don't want to talk anything about that. I'm talking